Hi everyone. I thought I'd try a fun science experiment. What we're making is popping corn in a jar. And what you will need to make this is 2 cups of water and some popcorn kernels, some vinegar, and baking soda, and a jar. I'm using just a normal canning jar. So the first thing you're going to do is take your 2 cups of water and pour it into your jar. Then you're going to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda and put that into the jar here. Then we're gonna stir this up to get it all liquidy. See if that's maybe good enough. Stir it just a little bit more. All right. Next thing you're gonna do is add your 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels. One more in there. And then you're gonna take your vinegar, 1 cup of vinegar, and slowly pour it in. It's kind of fun to watch it fizz when it mixes in with the baking soda. And you can kind of mix it up just a little bit, but don't get too crazy stirring it because it will overflow. I experienced that once already. All right. Now we're gonna put the lid on and wait for it to settle. And you can kind of see a kernel pop in there a little bit. Kind of jiggle it around a little bit and it'll kind of get some more going. Don't want to shake it up too much though. Alright, there's a few going there, and here's one I had already previously made. It's kind of got some of the kernels already jumping so you can kind of see it in action. This will last up to about 30 minutes with the kernels jumping around, and if you want to add a little food coloring in it to make it a little bit more fun, you can do that. Just kind of a fun little science experiment I thought I'd try while I was at home. So I hope you have a chance to try it too. If you do, send us some pictures or videos of you doing the experiment. I think I've also seen it where you can use rice too. So give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thanks for joining. Bye.